Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox loading forever. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox loading forever, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list here, we'll enter to this window of Roblox. Then we click on force stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage, then we click clear cache, and in the end of all the steps, then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.